Hey folks, I've got my Ryobi battery powered weed eater, ran out of string. I'm going to show you how to put new string in. First thing, take out the battery so you don't accidentally trigger it while you're replacing it. Next step is to come here to the head and you're going to rotate this knob until these arrows align here. Next, you're going to take a 10-foot piece of string here, and the diameter of the string, 0.080, is what this one takes. And then with these holes aligned, you're going to feed the string through on one hole, pull it through on the other side, until you've got equal lengths on both sides. Then with the string all the way through, you're going to rotate this thing clockwise, and every few turns, you're going to tug on that string just lightly to keep it tight, but don't pull hard, and then keep turning, and then gently tug on that. Now this thing comes with this turning tool, and if you've got weak fingers, maybe you want to use this. I don't find it particularly helpful, so you're just going to keep doing that. And then when you get to about 6 inches or so on the end, you're done. That's all there is to it. You can like, subscribe, but either way, good luck. Thanks for watching.